was half the reason I got agitated. I was like, well, I'm not driving home through this, if that's what you think. And then we were about to leave. I didn't know it was going to break like this, though.
I didn't want to leave either.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Bill. Huh? I can't hear you. I don't know. What? Oh, yeah. That's cool.
It was pretty cool.
There was a chick drawn out here one time that sat with me for a while or whatever, vice versa. I was here first, but it doesn't really matter. But I don't know, I can't remember what we talked about. I've yet to meet somebody who doesn't enjoy a good nature spectacle. I'm glad there's not golf ball or baseball hail here. I had that acoustic guitar playing in my truck bed for the whole last, 10 months or whatever.
Yeah, when you're ready.
Yeah, I would get wet sometimes. Not too wet though. I always try to keep it under my jacket a little bit. Oh yeah, I guess I could try that again. I mean, it kind of helps, I guess. You're not a real musician until you've played in your truck while it's raining. I would go in the cab at that point. I don't think it's. I think it's gonna be alright.
Okay.
Well, she's walking through the crowd. She got a circus line running around. Butterflies and zebras and moonbeams. Very sad. Did you ever think you'd see me wear this jacket? Actually, kind of fits me. Did you ever think I would wear this jacket and that you would see me wearing it? I never expected to wear one of your coats. Usually the guy's the one who's all prepared with the jackets and stuff. I guess kind of suits the lumberjack look. Have you ever heard of a look called lumber sexual? I was reading one of these articles, and it was like what people from born in the '80s or what the older generation hates about the young dress, the way people were young dress, and it was like all these guys with beards and flannels, they don't even know how to change oil. I thought that was funny. It was sort of,
I know how to change oil.
but there's always been like subtypes of. I don't think much has ever really changed. I think you've always had your alternative off the wall people and then your traditional people and all the factions in between. Or what do I know? Oh yeah, this would be a good time to play the Tim Roof song. But see, it's not even raining there because the wind stopped. I might be able to plug in. I don't know. It's just got some water on the face. I can brush it off and then
Okay, I'm just worried.
That is weird. You just don't see the drops over here.
I'm gonna see it.
Crazy. Oh, that's how it goes. Little people living so baby. Let's go. I know that
That was awesome. That was really awesome.
gotta learn that in my tuning. Not that I could ever really play it anyway.
You couldn't play like.
Oh, I mean the solo. It's surprisingly well. By getting that part right, made me happier than anything. They've moved. Oh, wait, are they still on the? No, they're on the grass.
Yeah, they're still playing. They're still playing with the racket and the ball, I think.
This must be like something from Calvin and Hobbes, where they're just kind of making it up as they go.
I think it's just a bunch of kids.
It's charming. It's charming to see people that really let them move. Oh, they're playing frisbee now. I think. It'd be funny if it was one of their hand paddles. I don't think so, though. It looks like a frisbee. What?
Have you ever thrown a frisbee?
Yeah.
I've done it a couple.
It's pretty fun.
Look how sweaty it is.
Yeah, there might be some puddles as we exit the park. So we'll try to avoid low-lying areas if we can. I think there's a turnout at a higher elevation, so it'll be alright. The party and the train still have good time. I wonder if those are the people on the bus. Think so? Hopefully they're going to be on a tour bus. Or whatever, you know. And now they're like split up. Now the girls are playing one-on-one and the guys are doing, I guess, frisbee. Waiting on ecstasy to heal me within straight on. I remember you said you might bring her to the spray ground.
Yeah, I thought about playing in those game out.
After all the jacks up and down, that's it. And the pound that old one's been. You can hear happiness staggering on down. sight to
I
see.
mean, it's just awesome.
You see what I like, even before you were here, is what I like to do.